Can you show me where Australia is? Show me where Australia is. Find it. Where's Australia?
There?
Let's see. No.
Here.
No. Remember, it's down the bottom. The big yellow one.
Here.
The big yellow one down the bottom.
This one?
No. Keep going. Big yellow one.
That's a really big one.
You gone past it? Down here? Big yellow one? See? Is that Australia? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's Australia. And where do we live? Can you find where Northern Ireland is?
There. Where Santa Claus lives. We are there where Santa Claus lives in the
Which
North
one?
Pole.
Show me again.
This one?
Yeah, we're here, this little orange dot. See? And Australia is all the way
down there.
Where's Australia?
There.
Where? Can't see. Oh, there.
And we're all the way up.
There. It's a long way, isn't it?
From Australia.
Who lives in Australia?
Grandma.
Yeah. Who else?
Auntie Shelley and Poppy.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Grandma.
Yeah. What about Auntie Andrea?
Yes.
And Uncle Graham?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
You better not spin the ball.
And Kimmy and Lauren?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uncle Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah. And little Tommy?
Yeah. 20 and 4, 5, 6.
What are those numbers, darling?
What are those numbers?
What's 20, 04, 5, 6? What's that? Is that written on the top, is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.